Hakuna Matata.
So this is Riya.
And this is Heer.
So
आज
है
फ्रेंडशिप डे. सो आज हम लोगों ने सोचा है कि आज हम एक बेस्ट हम लोगों को ये कब से करना था ये चैलेंज. और हम लोगों को आ नहीं रहा था कि कब करें.
हम लोग को पता नहीं क्या होता कि कब करे. सो हमने सोचा कि आज फ्रेंडशिप डे है तो आज ही कर लेते हैं.
इससे अच्छा दिन हो ही नहीं सकता. सो वी थॉट कि आज हम लोग बेस्ट फ्रेंड टैग करेंगे.
इसलिए देखो हम लोगों ने ट्विनिंग भी किया है आज. सेम हेयर स्टाइल, सेम ट्विनिंग, सेम क्लोथ्स, सिर्फ मेकअप भी सेम ही है, बस थोड़ा स्लाइड सा डिफरेंस है.
Oh my God!
और एक चीज और हम लोगों ने एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट दी है. और कोइंसिडेंटली हम लोगों ने ऐसा सोचा था कि हम लोग अलग अलग जाएंगे, अलग अलग गिफ्ट्स लेंगे.
अनफॉर्चुनेटली प्रोबेबली हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को सेम ही गिफ्ट दिया.
और हम लोग एक ही शॉप में खड़े हो गए. और हमको पता ही नहीं चला कि रिया यू आर हियर. ऐसा हो गया.
आप लोग को जानना है कि हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को क्या दिया. So the gift is ring.
Best friends for life.
So हम दोनों ने एक दूसरे को गिफ्ट दिया, ये ring.
Yo.
So now without wasting any time
हम लोग अपना चैलेंज शुरू करेंगे. तो हमारे पास ये बोल है जिसमें 6 चिट्स है. सो 3 क्वेश्चंस रिया ने लिखे हैं, 3 मैंने लिखे हैं. लेकिन नो वन नोज किसको किसके क्वेश्चंस आने वाले हैं. और जो क्वेश्चन जैसे मैंने एक चीट उठाई तो उसका आंसर रिया लिखेगी मेरी साइड से.
और मैं लिखूंगी, वो भी लिखेगी अपना.
लेकिन मैं रिया का नहीं लिखूंगी.
हाँ,
मैं सिर्फ अपना लिखूंगी. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. So tradition, Riya. How can we forget
tradition? Stone, paper and scissor.
Chalo.
Stone, paper, scissor. Stone, paper, scissor.
Okay.
I'll go first.
Okay.
So
I'll go first. Start, Riya.
Okay. Okay, I'm choosing this one and it's
Celebrity party which you want to join.
I mean,
Actually ये question मैंने मेरे लिए डाला था और
So
मेरे पे उल्टा गिर गया ये. I don't
okay,
know.
so you have to write that in which celebrity party
you
will
want
I
to go.
join.
Yeah.
I want to join.
So is it in Bollywood or everything?
Okay, I'll give you that Bollywood. Okay.
Okay, so in Bollywood you wanna join
Yeah,
one part.
yeah.
Okay. I'm guessing.
See, you can write 2
Okay.
or 1. If any is correct, I'll give you points.
Okay. Fine. Done.
Done?
So the answer is
Yeah.
Deepika
Yes.
and Ranveer. I written Ranveer because we always think about Ranveer is very jolly and
Yeah.
very nice. So I
Okay, Deepika is correct. Actually, I have also written Sara Ali Khan.
but actually Sara Ali Khan doesn't throw much party.
Yeah, she doesn't. But if she throws, then I would love to join.
Yeah,
her
she
party.
loves Sara Ali
Yeah.
Khan.
So, but Deepika Padukone is right, so I'm giving her points. So here I'm writing points.
Yeah. So I got 1 point.
Here and Riya.
So
He
here I
gets
get 1.
1 point.
You don't get anything, right?
Yeah, I don't get anything.
Yeah.
Now
Now it's
let's
my
go to
turn.
next one.
So it's guilty pleasure. So what is my guilty pleasure, Riya?
I know that.
Okay, so you can write 2 and I'll give you point if 1 is right
Okay.
because I have many. What's the answer?
So her guilty pleasure is French fries or cheese.
Both are correct. Because I can't control myself when I see
Yeah.
French fries.
So एक्चुअली हम दोनों का सेम ही है. मेरा भी चीज है लेकिन मेरा फ्रेंच फ्राइज नहीं है. मेरा
You can control, right?
Yeah, I can control that. But मेरा guilty pleasure चीज है. I can't. और
वो है ना रेड वो पता है जेरी है ये मेरा जेरी.
और चॉकलेट्स है लेकिन चॉकलेट से मुझे कोई
गिल्टी
नहीं
उसको
होती है,
कोई नहीं. वो गलत है.
So moving.
Oh, we did one thing wrong.
What?
You know, we have to take these chips out.
I have to count.
You have not.
I had, it was here.
Okay.
I don't know where you put 10. So
now
now
it's
I'm
your
getting
turn.
1 point.
Yeah.
And he doesn't get any point.
So we are on, twinning. We are doing twinning. Friendship day. Friendship
So
day.
now it's my turn.
क्या करना क्या चाहते हो तुम? हाँ,
Oops, 2 चिट्स है इसमें.
दो chips.
1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 5 yeah 2 are there.
No, there is nothing.
Okay, so it's crazy obsession of your friend.
That means I have to write this.
Yeah.
Your crazy obsession. She's obsessed with one thing. You will feel like how weird she is. And that is.
Okay.
अगर ये ना बोला ना रिया तूने, मैं तुझे गाड़ दूंगी यही, कबर खोद दूंगी मैं तेरी.
मुझे मेरा पता नहीं. Okay, I'm writing.
See, if you don't write
Okay,
that,
see, I'm writing 2. You have to guess one right.
and if I write this one and you don't write, अगर तूने
I
नहीं लिखा,
have discussed with you
When?
before sometime or yesterday only. So you should know this.
No, you should know this. I'm very sure about this.
We'll see. Okay, I'm done.
And the answer is straw collection. You're obsessed with straws. That straw, you want me to show them that straws? Whenever we go anywhere, मतलब कहीं भी चलो, वो कहीं से भी अगर उसको straws दिखेगी ना, वो बहुत सारी straws इकट्ठा करती है. अगर वो नहीं लिखा ना रिया,
मैंने वो नहीं लिखा, मैंने clothes लिखा है.
That is normal, but crazy, crazy
I
thing.
know crazy, but I'm also crazy about clothes. So
Everyone
I
is
told you that
crazy.
you write 1 or 2. So you should write 2.
I have written one only because I was very sure क्योंकि ये इससे ज्यादा crazy कुछ नहीं हो सकता.
Okay, I'll give you half points for this.
Yeah, you didn't written this, but
Yeah,
actually यही crazy obsession है. तुम मानते हो ना इसको?
अरे नहीं यार, वो है लेकिन मेरा clothes भी है ना.
Okay, will you give one chance? मैं दूसरा एक लिख लूँ.
मैंने 2 लिखे हैं.
हाँ, मतलब close I know. Now
नहीं,
another.
अभी नहीं मिल सकता. I will give you half points. I'm giving you half points, but अरे be happy with half points.
That means I am going to lose because I was so sure about this.
Okay, I'm giving you 1 point.
Yeah, मैं आपको ना मतलब लास्ट वीडियो के एंड में इसका स्ट्रॉ कलेक्शन दिखाऊंगी. आपको पता चलेगा ये कितनी क्रेजी है.
चलो बख्श दिया मैंने तुमको, बख्श दिया. आज फ्रेंडशिप डे इसलिए मैंने उसको 1 पॉइंट दे दिया.
मैं तुझे यहाँ पे गाड़ देती.
चलो.
Now it's my turn. And okay, you should know this. Okay, city I would settle if I get chance. Then the city I would settle to.
Okay.
You can write 2.
You have to write yours, right?
Yeah, of course.
Okay.
So it's London and LA. She got the point because she knows I want to go.
Actually, we both want to go to LA and settle there.
Yeah, पर पता नहीं कब.
हाँ, मेरा दूसरा ग्रीस था, इसका दूसरा लंदन है. So
yeah. Greece I want to go for holidays. कुछ नया लगे.
It's my turn.
Sorry.
Just a minute.
What?
4. We are done with 4. So how can be there 3 chits? There should be only 2 chits left.
Maybe that,
Just see this one.
okay, let me see. Which is this? Okay, this one is sitting.
So now it's
yeah,
not
it's 2. So much of confusion.
I'm taking this one.
Okay.
Okay, it's which is the thing that I hate in a relationship? I mean any relationship.
Okay, I will write 2.
Okay.
Okay. I think I'm sure about this because I know about one thing which she hate. So
Just am I right?
ऐसा तो बहुत सारी चीज है जिसकी वजह से वो ब्रेकअप कर ले. But still, there are 2 main. You don't know yours. I am so
okay.
fast.
So
It's cheating and lie.
it's correct. It's correct. It's telling lies or cheating. I would
Yeah.
just
Kill that
go
person,
away, man.
Kill that person.
So-
Or if someone does that with her, I'll.
So now here she is getting 1 point.
Oh, we are
We're just same, similar.
Why you get only 1 here?
Yeah, sorry, I just forgot. Here I gets 1 point.
Yeah.
Okay. Now
So we are on same.
yeah, same track.
Now this is deal breaker. क्या होता है? Your friend all time favorite action and more. What does that mean?
More, not more, it's move.
अच्छा, move. My
Yeah.
favorite action or move. You have
Yeah.
to write. I know her. I'll tell you.
So I have to write yours
Yeah.
and you have to write mine.
No, I'm not writing
Sorry,
yours.
I have to write yours. So I
Actually,
know
I
that
don't know what's mine.
you should know. I mean, I know yours. What
But
you
I
do
don't know
already.
mine.
Okay, so it's like I have to show that I can write here.
Okay.
So I'm showing.
So I don't know if
Yeah.
if she'll do that and I think that it's right. I'll tell you because actually I
Her
don't
all-time move is like
know. That's my
this kind
favorite.
of face expression, and the other is like this.
This is correct. She is,
What is my favorite move all time?
I think they also know that this is your favorite.
So here she gets 1 point.
No, you get 1 point.
Yeah, I
Really?
get 1 point.
Yeah. So at the end we are on same. Why I don't get 1 here? Okay, so at the end
We are on same track.
हम लोग एक दूसरे को बहुत अच्छी तरह से जानते हैं. So आप लोगों को अगर ये चैलेंज अच्छा लगा हो
So please do like, share and subscribe. And guys, do you want to see my straw collection? You just go and get my straw.
हाँ मैं तो नौकर हूँ इसकी. Where is it?
It's in the bag, I think.
Yeah. Here it is. ये सिर्फ ये ना लास्ट टाइम का स्टॉक कलेक्शन है.
See, it's
ये
like
लास्ट टाइम का स्टॉक कलेक्शन है. जब हम लोग लास्ट टाइम मॉल गए थे एक बार का ही है और इसके अलावा हमारे पास बहुत सारी स्ट्रॉज है. इसका कोई काम नहीं है.
straw
So
collection.
yeah.
Bas,
So if you
that's
guys,
it.
yeah, and if you guys want BFF Tech Part 2 or you want to know how we met or anything like that, please comment down below. Yeah, and
do like, share, subscribe. Yes, say it
And-
again, but no problem.
and take care.
Yeah.
And till that, छोड़ो.
So thank you. Ta-da.